Righto, let's test these microphone settings again. Visor up, going slow, 40k's, 50k's. I've moved the microphone this time, visor down. Right, in case you didn't get that, I've moved the microphone this time. I've shoved it right down into the cheek pad lining, upside down, pointing downwards, because the lining, the bottom of the lining, like at the bottom of the helmet, is attached to the helmet, so no way wind can get in there, you wouldn't have thought. And because I've got it pointing down, it's going to help stop the wind getting in there. And there's no wind can't get in from the front of the helmet either, because it's sealed hard against my cheek. That's the plan anyway. So we'll see how that goes. Technical business this. I tried to Google where to place microphones in helmets, but it seems everyone else is having the same problem. It's just trial and error until you get it right, really. Until you get it in a good spot. I think this is fine though. Visor down at this speed, you should be able to hear perfectly well. Quite like having the visor up actually. I've got one of those helmets that's got a built-in sun visor as well. That's quite cool. So I can have the main visor up and have the sun visor down on the inside to protect my eyes from the sun, and still get all the breeze, a bit like wearing an open face helmet. Well, not really, but you get what I mean. Like having your eyes protected but the rest of your face isn't.